Inktober has just come to an end, and I am here to show you how I created my Inktober monster. Are you ready? Let's go! That was some party last night. Holy shit. Yo, what's up, guys? We are back with another episode of Andreas Does Art. And today, I got something special for you. We gotta have special things happening, or else what the fuck is the point? And the only way things are special is if you make them special. I'm gonna show you my process of creating my Inktober monsters. This is my 4th year in a row completing the Inktober challenge. Every year, what I have done since the first year. I had this idea way back when, 4 years ago to be exact, and it is time to reveal my deepest, darkest secrets to you. Inktober is this challenge where every day during the month of October you do a different ink drawing. Now, it's kind of branched out more into just doing art all throughout October, which is sick. I like to use it as an opportunity to force myself to just use ink. Each day they have a different prompt that is the theme of the day that you should try to base your drawing around. Now, these are loose rules, but I appreciate the challenge they provide. There's those 3 parameters, and I decided to add my own 4th parameter, and that is that I will not be making 31 drawings. I will be doing 30 drawings so they fit into a rectangle, okay? I will take those individual pieces of paper, I will line 4 of them up in a row, tape them together, and then tape those rows together to create a massive rectangular shape. At the very end of the 30 days, you will have one single art piece that you have created over 30 days with 30 different drawings. Holy fuck! Let's get to it! Yeah! I'm pumped! I don't know why, I just got extra hype about this, and it's because it's sick, dude.
Today is September 30th, and that means tomorrow is October 1st, and that means it is the start of Inktober.
So I got some Post-it notes, I got some tape, and I got a bunch of black pen.
Okay, we need 30 pieces of paper. 1, 2, 3, 6, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent. Step number 2, we arrange them in a rectangular shape and tape them together. All right, we got all 30 note cards taped together. We got our massive piece. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sketch out my overall drawing, what I want the final piece to be. So now we got the final drawing sketched out in pencil on here. What I'm gonna do is take this black pen, and every spot where the line runs across between 2 Post-it notes, I'm gonna make a mark, and that mark is what's gonna be used to connect this whole piece together. So yeah, let's mark this thing up. Alright, so I got the black lines to indicate wherever the pencil goes across 2 index cards. I'm gonna go to the back side and number these so I can take it apart and then begin the fun. Okay. 29 and 30. Alright, we are ready to commence the Inktober drawing. We have our 30 index cards taped together, numbered up, and ready to go. So now, take them all apart. Alright, time to start drawing. Day number 1, crystal.
Each day when I'm doing the drawings, I'm not looking at the picture as a whole. I'm just picking out a random card that I see will fit within this drawing. So for the most part, I don't know where any of these drawings are going to go on the final piece. I know what the final piece is going to be because I sketched it out, but I don't actually know how it's going to arrange at the end and what's going to be what. To me, the drawings by themselves are whatever, you know, there's nothing too special about them. I mean, some of them are kind of interesting, but for the most part, they're extremely simple. Not too eye-catching. Nothing really that stands out as like, whoa, some crazy artist drew this, bro. No, they're very simple. They're almost logo-like. It's just fun to see this project grow and come together at the very end. It's time to piece this guy together. Let's go.
Yeah, boy! We got 30 different designs, 30 different days, 30 different prompts, all together in one masterpiece. And it's time for the grand reveal. Let's go!
Whoo! All right, this thing is looking sick. I am so stoked, but there's always another step. There's always another but. There's always one more river to cross to get to Granny's house. With all the work that went into this piece, I need to do it justice and truly display it how it's meant to be, bound together as one single piece. These images are not meant to be displayed on their own. They only become the art when they're all together. So, time for the fun part. We're gonna individually take pictures of all these. In the photo editor, we're gonna bump up the contrast and really separate the white and the black. Then we're gonna throw them into Adobe Illustrator, turn them all into a vector, separate all the black line work out, piece it together as a puzzle in Adobe Illustrator, and basically turn it into a JPEG. A beautifully laid out, one solid piece of JPEG-ness. JPEG. 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 Oh, shit, boy. Ooh. All right, there we have it. Inktober 2021. Let me know what you guys thought. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.